Hey guys, it's Paulie. This is going to be a basic finger exercise for dexterity on your guitar. Today we're going to be focusing on the dreaded pinky, finger number 4. So we're going to start with our pinky on string number 1, fret number 4. We'll move to string 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back to 5 all the way through 1. I'm going to set a metronome for 60 BPM. We'll do it with quarter notes, then we'll double up to eighth notes, and then 16th notes. So here we go. 3, go! Quarter notes. String 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6, back to string 5, string 4, string 3, string 2, and back to string 1. Alright, we're going to double up and do eighth notes. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch to string 2, 2, 3, string 3, 2, whoops, switch, honk, string 5, string 6, back to string 5, 4, switch, switch, and back to 1. Alright, and now 16th notes. Here we go. 1E and a 2E and a 3E. Switch. 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 Back to string 5. 4. Switch. Switch. And back to string 1. Alright, so there's that. Again, add this to your favorites and keep building up your collection. We will see you guys next time.